This will be our movement for the day on GBP JPY. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you would not miss out on any single updates we will be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now back to our analysis on GBP JPY. So first thing first, before we take a trade, we need to follow these two rules of trading, which is the first rule is know the trend. The second rule is trade with the trend. So now on this our GBPJPY, we are going to ask ourselves this question, and which is what is the trend? And as you can see on this our USD GBPJPY, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is what trending to the upside. So we are having a multiple rejection at the zone, which markets pull back. Right, it gave us the rejection. Guess what market did after that rejection? It eventually rejected and push up right. Now after this push up, what the market do next? Market eventually came back to this our support level, right? Then it's rejected from our support level back to our resistance. Then market eventually dropped, give us a false breakout, by the way. This is a false breakout that market did give us. Now it's eventually pushed back in. Now market has now dropped back in again, which has come to retest our support level, right? So we are currently at the support level on GBPJPY now, and this is the push up the market has eventually given us. So we will be expecting GBPJPY to continue to push up to the upside till it give us a complete more bullish move. So this is to tell you that a movement to the upside is what we will be expecting on GBPJPY. So we should expect GBPJPY to continue the bullish move till it is able to tap this resistance level. This is what we'll be expecting. Tap at this resistance level is what we'll be expecting. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. If in case there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe in order for not to miss out on the updates.